dukomeje kubaha ikaze mu makuru yacu, tubasaba gukomeza gukora subscribe kugira ngo mudacikwa na gahunda za KTV ibagezaho. Kuri uyu mugoroba nibwo abarwanyi bo mu itsinda rya Alliance Frère Congo bari kuva mu mujyi wa Uvira nk'uko bari babitangaje mu itangazo riheruka. Abarwanyi kandi bakaba bari bamaze iminsi 7 gusa muri uno mujyi wa Uvira. Al Jazeera yagerageje kuganira n'abaturage ba Uvira mu masaha ya kare. Benshi bagarukaga kuvuga ko iminsi AFC M23 imaze muri uyu mujyi hariho umutekano usesuye rwose, ku buryo bakoraga imirimo yabo y'ubucuruzi ndetse n'ingendo ntacyo bikanga, ariko kandi bakaba bafite ubwoba bwinshi bwikizakurikiraho mu gihe AFC M23 iba isohotse muri uno mujyi. Bagiye bavuga ko kandi icyo bifuza ari uwabaha amahoro. Uruhande y'abaturutseho rwose ibo ntabwo babyitayeho, icyo bakeneye ni amahoro, bagakora imirimo yabo nta mvururu nta masasu. Ibyo nibyo bavuze ko bifuza.
Markets are reopening. Traffic is back on the street. After days of fighting and fear, a fragile sense of normality is returning to Uvira, a key lakeside town near the border with Burundi. But that calm has been overshadowed by political and military instability. The M23 says it will only withdraw from Uvira if a neutral force is deployed to take over security, warning against a repeat of past withdrawals that it says ended in renewed violence.
We suffered here a lot with the armed groups operating under the government, but for now we feel secure and we're working freely at this market. They could attack without any reason and take your business away.
Some residents say they fear what could come next. They accuse Congolese army units and allied militias of carrying out abuses in the past and worry that a rebel withdrawal could trigger retaliation or new clashes.
We don't know anything about the political process that they're talking about. The only thing we need is peace. Anyone who is able to provide us with peace is welcome here.
Those fears are increased by developments behind the city. Since taking Uvira, M23 fighters have advanced south towards the towns of Baraka and Fizi. The offensive could withdraw control of a strategic route linking South Kivu to Tanganyika province and widen the conflict. As diplomacy struggles to keep pace with events on the ground, Uvira finds itself caught between a fragile calm and a shifting front line in a war that's far from over.